Welcome to my video. Hiya, just want to show you something really quick here. This is how nice people can be. I hadn't realised, but I'm looking at my CCTV and I hadn't realised I left my car door slightly ajar. If I press play, look at these people going past. They notice my door slightly ajar, so this nice man goes and closes my door for me. How good is that? See, things like this restores your faith in people. See, very nice man, whoever he is, thank you. Because I hadn't realised I'd slightly left my car door slightly ajar. So that's very good of him. So whoever you are, I thank you. That's all I wanted just to say. So there are good people out there after all. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.